or should I say, bienvenidos a Food Around the World, a series where I make food from places I've traveled to. And this series is going to be quite long since I've visited a lot of countries. Today we're doing the small but beautiful South American country, Ecuador. I'm going to be making my favorite Ecuadorian food, the healthy and refreshing Ceviche de Camarrones. For this dish, you'll need cleaned and deveined shrimp. You can also use pre-cooked shrimp, but I'm doing it the way we did it in Ecuador. Skip this step if you're using cooked shrimp. If you're using the raw shrimp, then fill a big pot full of water, salt it well, and once it's boiling, you'll cook the shrimp for 3 to 5 minutes. Once it's cooking, we'll take care of the vegetables. You're gonna put your shrimp into the water once it's ready. I'm gonna fish out my shrimp once it's ready. For the onion that I'm using, I'm gonna cut it paper thin. Practically see-through. Once you're done thinly slicing your onion, put it in a big bowl where we'll be mixing everything together. Next, I'll thinly slice the pepper like we did for the onion, like this. Your pepper should be in these thin strips, and I'm gonna put them in the onion bowl. Now my shrimp's beautifully cooked. Add it to the bowl. Cut up some cilantro. I stayed in Ecuador for 3 months, and the food was delicious. It was only seafood, and yeah, I didn't eat any meat because the seafood was so good. It should look something like this when you're done cutting the cilantro. Add it to the bowl. I'm gonna dice a tomato, or tomate in Spanish. In the 3 months I stayed in Ecuador, I lived right by the beach in the Guayaquil area, and Guayaquil is the largest city, but it's not the capital. Quito's the capital. And there I met some amazing people and had a lot of fun adventures. Shout out to Ana Maria and family. We miss you. I'm gonna add my fully diced tomato to the bowl. Now I'm going to slice in half and juice a ton of limes, so like 10 to 15. Fun fact about Ecuador. It is the only country in which nature has constitutional rights. So like if you harm it, then you get punished very hard. But that nature gave me temporary thalassophobia, or the fear of the ocean. Cause me, my brother, and my mom got smooshed by a ginormous wave once. It was probably like 4 times my height back then. Yeah, I still have trauma from that. I'm also gonna cut an orange in half and juice that. So yeah, it's gonna take a while. My citrusy mixture is done. Look how many limes and oranges I've used. It's a lot. So I'm gonna take my big bowl with everything inside it. I'm gonna crack some salt into it. And I'm gonna pour in the mixture. That smells so good. I'm gonna mix it up. Lo voy a mezclar. Y aquí está. Here's the final product. Cheers, everyone. It's refreshing. It's tangy. It's healthy, extremely healthy. And it's just perfect on a hot summer day. Gracias para mirar ese video y estar conmigo. Bye everyone.